given $20 million if you roll a dice and the number is off.
I'll literally roll the dice here, Zach.
Danny, I think the math checks out there.
The comment section on this video is just irredeemable. Everybody in there thinks they're some sort of statistician. Well, today I'm going to show you the actual odds. See, one way we can model the odds of rolling 2 dice is by making a table. Each cell in this table corresponds to the unique outcome from each dice. So let's look at some numbers. There are 6 outcomes by 6 outcomes, which tells us that there are 36 total outcomes. So let's look at the chance of rolling an odd number. 2 3s plus 4 5s plus 6 7s plus 4 9s plus 2 11s. So we have 18 odd outcomes out of the possible 36, which gives us a 50-50 chance. So to settle the argument in the comments, 1 die versus 2 dice doesn't matter. You'll have a 50-50 chance to roll an odd number either way. What if we were to roll n dice at once, or a whole number of dice? How would that change our outcome? Think about it like this. We roll 1 die first, and we get either an odd or an even number. Now let's roll a second die. If we got an odd number after having rolled an odd number the first time, we'd have an even number. But if we rolled an even, we'd have an odd. Same deal for if we initially rolled an even number. If we rolled an odd number, we'd have an odd number, and if an even number, we'd have an even number. But as you can see, there's still a 50-50 of whether we'll have an odd or an even. If we roll a third die, we can see that this pattern continues. Every even produces an odd or an even outcome, and every odd produces an even or an odd outcome. Therefore, there will always be the same amount of evens and odds. Therefore, for n dice, there will be a 50-50 chance of rolling an odd or an even number. One final note is that in the beginning, Zach mentions that the numbers should work out that you should always take case 2 of rolling the dice. And it is true. If we take the expected value of both cases, we get 10 million for rolling the dice, which is much better than 1 million. Thank you for watching.